how to automate your social media content for an entire week. Isn't it amazing if you can do it so that you can focus more on marketing and other important stuff? Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a blogger and digital marketer, and today in this video I am going to tell you about a tool that you can use to automate your entire social media content, and you can just schedule your content for a week and you are done. So, if you really want to know about this tool and how to do this, then just keep watching the video. Watch the video till the end so that you know how to do it exactly. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos that I am going to post in this channel related to sales, marketing, and related to the tools which use in digital marketing. So let's just start the video. So now we are on my computer screen and I'm now going to show you that how you can do this. What is the strategy? So the strategy is like, what if you can if you suppose if you are on the 5 different social media platforms, and if you want to post one post every day, then what you can do is, like, suppose I have written down all the platforms mainly we use. So we have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, then Pinterest, YouTube, and I also included Google My Business, because if you are a local business, then in that case it's very important for you to post on Google My Business on a regular basis to stay updated, to keep updated your customers. And what if you have a tool which will automate everything, and you can schedule in advance about the offers and the things that you want to offer to your customer. So isn't it great that you don't need to even log into your Google My Business again and again? Similarly, what if you can post on the regular basis daily? Your content is going on these platforms. Isn't it amazing that your content is going on a regular basis? So it will help you to grow your personal brand. It will increase the brand awareness. It will help you to engage more with your customer. So it's very important to stay consistent for personal branding and for the branding of your business, and at the same time for having an engaged audience. So now we after understanding this thing, that it's very important to post on social media with consistency to grow our brand. Now let me tell you how you can do this, how you can post on the daily basis. So suppose I want to post one piece of content daily on Facebook, then I want one piece of content daily on LinkedIn, one photo on Instagram, then I want to post something on Google My Business. Maybe if you are a local business, if not, then you can just skip it and you can go to Pinterest, and you can maybe if you have a YouTube channel, then YouTube. So this is how, if we want to post one piece of content. So first of all, let me tell you that tool will give you only 5 platforms, so you have to choose the 5 platforms. So suppose, let me highlight those platforms that I want to post. So I want to post on Facebook, definitely. So let's just highlight with a blue color. Okay, so okay, the blue, maybe green looks better. Yes, now it's looking better. So I want to do it on LinkedIn as well. I want to post on Instagram. Then I want to post on YouTube. Okay, so I have my account on Google My Business as well. So I will post on Google My Business and I will post on YouTube. Okay, so these are the 5 platforms that I want to use. Now, suppose if I want to use these 5 platforms, then how can I do this? So for that, uh, um, if I can do this, first of all, let me tell you how many posts how many piece of content you are posting on a daily basis. So, because you are posting 5 piece of content on the daily basis, which is automatically going to your platforms. You have scheduled it once in a week, and it's going there. So now you have posted 5 piece of content every day, and suppose if you have posted 5 content every day in a week, of 7 days, you will have 35 piece of content which is on your social media platforms. So 35 piece of content every week. If you manage to schedule all or everything, and after a week, what you can do is you can just come again to the tool with the content and just schedule everything. You can even post more than this also, because the tool will give you 50 post. You can schedule 50 posts at a time, so you can even choose two, someday you can schedule 2 posts on Facebook, or maybe someday you can schedule 2 posts on Instagram. So in this way you can increase it as well. So now, it will be very very easy for you. Now let me show you the tool. So this is a free tool, completely free tool. Even though it has a paid plan, so many paid plans are there, but the free one, I'm going to just show you how you can effectively utilize the free version. And the tool is Publer. So Publer is an amazing tool. I just started using it recently and I found it very very helpful. So I have connected my Facebook, my Google My Business, then my Instagram. There is some problem in Instagram because we have to do it via Zapier. And you what you can do is, Zapier gives you I think 100 tasks in a month. So you can just you can just create a free account in Zapier, and you can create a Zap. And because 100 tasks are there, 100 tasks are free, so you can go ahead and integrate your Instagram as well with the help of Zapier. And it will give you only the photo, only the picture. You cannot post video right now. Maybe in future they will bring it, but now if you are posting infographics, if you are posting picture on Instagram, then you can go ahead and integrate your Instagram. Otherwise, what you can do is you can integrate your Twitter account as well. So now I have integrated LinkedIn, and then I have YouTube as well. So these are the platforms that I have linked here. Now, how this tool works? So it's a very simple tool. This is the area where you have to create your post, and what you can do is you can just come here and you can type like anything you want to post. Maybe it's a written content, or if you want to post any media, you can drag and drop the media here simply. Let me show you some more cool features. So what you can do is you can customize the post for each platform. Like if you want to add something for Facebook, you can do it. If you want to do something for Instagram, then for LinkedIn, you can do it as well. Now what you can do is you can give the location. So if you want to tag the location in the post, you can do it from here. And then you can also add the signature. Like if you have any signature and you want to add in your post, you can do it as well. But I'm not going to do it right now. I think signature is a paid feature, so maybe you will not be able to do this, but it doesn't matter. Then we have Auto share. So what this auto share is, so auto share automatically share your post to other accounts. Like if you have posted in these two in this platform and now you want to post it on different platforms, so you can choose the platform and it will automatically post on those platforms as well. So then what we can do is we can add follow-up comments. This is an amazing feature. So what you can do is, like, you can add a follow-up comment. So add a follow-up comment is like, you have when you post the content, uh, you can add a delay of a few minutes. Like you have delayed by 5 minutes, 15 minutes I would say, and after 15 minutes you want that there would be a comment by you on your post. So you can simply type the comment like, share your views about it in comments. Or maybe if you want to give the link of your video, as we know that when we give the link of the video or our website on the comment section, the reach will be high. So you can, what you can do is you can simply put that link here and you can post it with zero delay. So it will post the link of your YouTube video or link of your blog post in the comment section with the post that you have written. How cool it is! You don't need to manually go and comment after your post will be uploaded, or your post you posted content and then you will go and comment, give the link in the comment. You don't need to do it. You can do it here. So this is an amazing thing, right? We can save it, and we can auto delete it as well. Like if we want that our post got deleted after some time, so you can delete it. You want to keep your post for 10 days and after 10 days you want to delete it. It happens. Like if you are running an offer and you want that this post will be visible for 10 days on your social media, and after that it will auto delete. So you can do it from here. You can simply go and choose this option auto delete, and you can set the delay, and after that delay the post will automatically be deleted. So these are the cool things that you can do with this tool, and it's completely free. So isn't it amazing that you are getting a free tool which will do so many cool things for your social media? And now here comes the delay between accounts. Like what you can do is you can add a delay between the post. Like add a delay between post and posting on multiple accounts at once. So suppose if you are posting on Facebook, on LinkedIn and on Instagram, and you don't want to post them at the same time, so you can add a delay. Like if you add the delay of suppose 2 hours, here you can add hours, day, week, anything. So suppose if you want to add a day, so it will post the content. You have created a post, it will post on the Facebook immediately, then after one day it will post it on LinkedIn, and then after one day it will post it on Instagram. So this is how it is going to post. Isn't it amazing? You don't need to post the same content on different platforms on different days. You can just schedule it from here and it will automatically go in 3 different days on the 3 different platforms. You have automated everything. Literally, you have automated everything. So these are the cool things that you can do. And what you can also do is it will give you the hashtag suggestions, AI based hashtag suggestions. It will read the content that you have written here, and accordingly it will suggest you some hashtags that can be helpful to boost the reach of your post. Like what I have written here, I can simply choose a few relevant hashtags that would be that could increase the reach of my post, and I can simply go and use it. So let's suppose I have chosen, okay, dream I have already chosen. So I actually deleted the more content. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you. So now what you can do is, what I will do is I will just go ahead and set the auto delete so that it will delete it after 1 minute. Now uh, uh, okay, auto delete. Post will be automatically deleted after the amount of time you select. Hiding work only work for Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so now save, and what I will do, I will just schedule the post. Okay, so when I will go to schedule the post, I can choose the time, date and everything, and after that the post will be scheduled. Suppose I want to post at 9:30, so I just set the time, and what I will do is I will just simply go and schedule it, and now boom, the post is scheduled on the specified time, and it will be live. It will be live on that platform at that time. And if you want to post it immediately, you can do it as well. Like if you want to, suppose if I have an infographic, a small infographic in this article, I have, I think, a small infographic, and I just want to post it immediately on my Facebook or some on my LinkedIn. What I can do is I can simply go and copy the link, and then I will post it. So how cool is it? Okay, and if you follow this strategy, and the strategy that I have shown you here, and if you come every week here in this platform, and you have the content ready, you will just come here, you will just paste everything here, and just keep scheduling, and it will take you half an hour or an hour, and after that your entire the work for entire week is done. You don't need to post any idea, you don't need to bother about social media. Your social media is ready, your content will be going there automatically, and you can just simply focus on your marketing, on your product, on your business growth. So this is amazing. Now here you can see that it will show you the post that we have. So these are the posts these are the same post that I was creating, and here it will show you the accounts that you have linked. And if you want to link any other account, you can simply go and link it from here. You have Pinterest, you have Instagram as well. I was trying to integrate the Instagram yesterday with the help of the Zapier, but I was not able to do it. Okay, so I will do it and I will create a video for that as well, that how to do it with the help of Zapier. So I think that that's all. It means I think you will really find it helpful, and if you can use this tool effectively, it will help you to manage your social media accounts very effectively. And ultimately, if you can post on the social media with so much consistency and efficiency, then it will help you to, okay, so it will help you a lot in creating the brand awareness and to engage more with your audience. So now that's all for today's video. I think you find if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video very soon. This is Rishabh Jain. Thank you very much.